Okay, I'm going to go over some of these bell ringers with you because some of you guys are just not catching the concept. I don't know why you're not, but we're going to go over this and see if we can't clear up some muddy water. If you look, if we're looking at a dollar, right? A dollar is a whole unit. You've heard that for a million years, right? That's a half unit or a half dollar. And a quarter unit or a quarter of a dollar. And you can even go one more and say this, which is an eighth of a dollar. Okay, so you can break it on down. 64th of a dollar, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I've been giving you simple decimal fraction back and forth, trying to get you to get the concept and memorize some of the simpler ones, right? So if I were to write down 4/8. Some of you already said, hey, I know the answer. Well, some of us didn't get it right away, so let's look at it. Get the calculator out here. Okay. 4 divided by 8 equals 0.5. And we know that 0.5 is what? Half. Okay, half. So if I was to write this, you would automatically know that it was this. Okay, half of that. So let's do another one. Let's do 5/16. This is one of your questions. Get our calculator back out. 5 divided by 16 equals 312. We can just stop at 312. 0.312, and that is 5/16. Okay, so that's one of them. Let's look at a different one. Let's look at 18/32. This one could throw you for a loop. 18 divided by 32. Well, that is 0.562. Now, how did I get to 562 to relate it to our chart? Okay, so if I take the 18 divided by 2, that gives me 9. If I take 32 divided by 2, that equals 16. Draw a line between it, right? 0.562 is the decimal for 9/16. So in these questions, you may have to go through and actually do the math on a few of them to figure out which one it is. And if you happen to see this, don't believe that's the answer. You have to do the math to figure it out. Okay, that's just part of it. Get used to it. So that's my simple little lesson for you. Hopefully this helps. So remember, use your calculator if you need it. Okay.